Turning over. Sound speak.
My name is Jimmy Lope, and I specialize in sound. Brighton, I mean, I've been here for like 18 years now, so it's changed quite a bit since I got here. But the one thing that, the main thing I fell in love with the first time is that it's so charming. It's such a small city and yet so cosmopolitan and vibrant, so it's hard not to fall in love with it. No, I wouldn't say it was much different than any other student. Yeah, I felt very welcome. At no point I felt excluded. So that was, at the beginning, the first year, I felt a bit, I was a bit scared. I came in thinking like, oh, am I gonna be able to gel with the other students? And I completely did. I think that we all shared that much passion for film and for being here that there was no difference whatsoever. It was great. Yes, the one thing I will say, that the one thing that I wish I knew when I was here is that I came in with sound. Okay, I wanted to do sound, and I didn't look at anything else. And I will say that, once you're here, try to learn as much as you can from everything, because eventually you don't know what you're going to end up doing. You might be doing something that might need you to do something else. So I think it's good to harness more than one skill. So yeah, try to learn as much as you can while you're here, that's for sure. Don't let this situation stop you. If that's what you want to do, come along, because everyone here tried their hardest to accommodate things and to make things as easy as possible. So as long as we come with that in mind, you're gonna be fine. Should be fine.